Ga ga galera, ga ga galera, ga I am not an alien. I'm not a woman. Femenino. I am not a man. Masculino. I am not human. I am not a creature of your government pressing. But when they ask you, what is Lady Gaga? You tell them, I am you. We share the same hopes. We share the same dreams. We share the same future potential. Sao Paulo, I am everything you love about this world, and I can be everything that you hate. I am because you created me. I was born this way. I have landed here tonight on GOAT, your Brazilian government-owned alien territory in outer space. I've come here for one purpose: to extract as much information, inspiration, love, music, fashion from all of the Brazilian people here in the stadium in Sao Paulo tonight. When I'm finished with my training, I will finally be ready to invade Earth as your Brazilian pop star. But until then, when the curtain falls, you will have to decide, will you stand by me forever? Some of you, I know, you know his name. Maybe